The Sun's Stolen Children. Long ago, in a land where the sun shone brightly, people lived in villages. They were happy and free. They sang songs and told stories under the big baobab tree. One day, big ships came to their land. Men with strange faces came to their villages. They were not friendly. They had come to take people away. They took many people, young and old. They put them on the big ships. The people were sad. They did not know where they were going. The journey on the ship was long and hard. Many people were sick. There was not much food or water. They missed their homes and their families. When the ships reached a new land, the people were sold. They had to work on big farms called plantations. They worked from sunrise to sunset. The work was very hard. They picked cotton and cut sugarcane. The sun was hot. They were often tired and hungry. Some people were brave. They tried to run away. They wanted to be free again. They ran to the forests and the mountains. Years passed. Many people started to say that taking people and making them work was wrong. They said everyone should be free. Finally, the day came when the people were free. They were no longer slaves. They could live their own lives. They were happy. The children of the sun's stolen people grew up in the new land. They remembered their past, but they also looked to the future. They became doctors, teachers, and leaders. They made the world a better place.